My name is Dipankar Dey, and I help companies generate more revenues through internet marketing.
I truly believe that you have a full of dream, passion and purpose.
That you can have everything that you need and want.
That you are the boss of your life. Imagine it works for you.
Just achieve it. The most stunning words to describe you here: dream, decide and desire.
I suppose the most powerful triple decision making words D you have, right?
No doubt, you are here to create a successful blog and online business. Your wish to fulfill anyway.
You and you are the architect of your own world in online marketing business.
On January 10th, 2012, I had a terrible story that changed my life endlessly due to the frustration of losing a job.
And it was during this pain-taking situation that I had to literally renovate myself. I learned decision makes a man perfect. This line was absolutely true in my life.
Yeah, I had been decided to be a freelancer and especially digital marketing professional. Finally, I got a new job at a renowned marketplace, and the first 5 stars feedback was the turning point in my internet marketing life.
And my mission is to share this secret with you.